Hello everyone. Today I picked up the Towtector Tier 3 and I'm going to be showing you the install, putting it together. I've been getting some fine stone chips on my boat. I don't know if you can see them on there. Here's some more. I do have mud flaps on my truck. It's a 2018, so I'm going to try to get it protected a little bit better. So let's get started with putting this together. So this is what'll come in the kit. Got your brushes, support bars, and your mounting bracket, and some hardware. Let's put this together and then I'll do a review of it on the truck. Alright, the next step is to insert this tubing in here, line up your holes. Make sure you have the right bolt. There's two different sizes. You want to use the shorter one, a washer and a nut, and a nut. Flip it over. Next step is to insert your mounting bracket. Make sure you get this behind it. Now for these, you're going to be using the longer bolts. And we're going to want to go ahead and put this bottom bracket back on. Just going to snug it up. I'm not going to go fully tight yet until I'm finished with this other side. Alright, let's go ahead and repeat the same thing on this side. Last step is to insert this piece, this side into the mounting bracket, get everything lined up, and then we'll go ahead and tighten everything up and get it mounted to the truck. Alright, now that all the bolts are installed, we're going to go ahead and tighten them all down. Make sure you snug them up good. The next step is to slide your hitch through the bracket, which is right here. And I'm using the Curt 2-inch drop. You can adjust the position of the bracket on your hitch with using these two bolts right here. Just loosen them up and it'll slide on this. You can also adjust the height of your Towtector by loosening up these two bolts on both sides, and you can raise it up or down. It'll slide on here in this groove here, and you want to set it so that you're roughly 3 inches off the ground, and that's with your trailer loaded and attached. This is the Towtector Tier 3, designed for the Ford F-150. It has the drop down here because I have the lower backup sensors mounted here. So they drop it down, and over here is my other sensor, it's up higher. So make sure you get the right fit for your vehicle. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and stick around. I'm going to be doing another video showing how well the Towtector works, showing a close-up of the rocks bouncing off of it, running it down a gravel road with the Towtector and without the Towtector. That'll be coming up shortly. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.